So we have seen the classification of descriptive statistics, that's organizing the data, summarizing the data, and additional categories such as data reduction, transformation, and detection and imputation. So now we will deep dive into organizing data. What all tools that we can use to organize your data. So here we will see the organizing data, and here we will explain each and every tool of organizing data, and we will take practical examples, and we will use the pandas library to work on this concepts or tools to organize your data. So the first one in organizing data is data sorting. Data sorting involves arranging data in a specific order, such as ascending or descending order, based on a variable or attribute. This can be done using built-in functions or methods in Python, such as the sort or sorted function. So let's take one example. So I'll write this as a data sorting. So the first example goes, let's take a sequence. Obviously, a sequence, we have three types of sequences, a list, tuple, and a string in Python. So I will take a list sequence, that is 5 comma 2 comma 8 comma 1 comma 9 and 3. So this is what our sequence. Now I just want to sort the numbers. You can see these numbers are not sorted. They're randomly placed. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type sorted underscore numbers is equals to, I'll use sorted. You can see that this is the function I'm going to use, sorted function, and numbers is our sequence object, a list object, a name reference, and execute. And let's print the sorted numbers, and here it is, they got sorted. So but I just want to give you a better representation. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to print the same one, print. So let me put it here in the same cell, print sorted numbers in ascending order, and let me put that sorted numbers. That's it. Yep, sorted numbers in ascending order, 1 2 3 5 9. So that's how. Next, let's take one more example. So example of sorting a list of strings in descending order. This is what we're going to take here. Example of sorting a list of strings in descending order. So let's take a fruits example. Fruits is the variable name reference for the list object. So list object consists of apple, then banana, then cherry, and date, and finally fig. Fig. So that's what is our object. and let's sort this out. Sorted fruits, sorted method I'm gonna use, sorry, function I'm gonna use, and as usual, fruits and a reverse and true. So now, instead of just printing normally, I'm gonna print it. I'm gonna customize it. Print sorted fruits in descending order and sorted fruits, and that's it. So fig, date, and this is descending order. This is descending order. So that's the reason. Fig, date, cherry, banana, apple. So that's how we do the data sorting using Python sort or sorted function. So now we'll be using the pandas. So the pandas will be used to do some more examples here. So the first example using pandas, let's take sorting a data frame by a single column. That's what is our first example. So let me take, obviously we have to import the pandas. Import pandas as pd. Then let's create a sample data frame first. That will be our next step. Let's create a sample data frame. Df is equals to create a sample data frame pt, that's pandas. And to create a data frame, I'm going to use data frame method, and inside that I'm going to mention the first I'm going to mention a dictionary. So the keys will be the column headers, column names, and then the values, the list of values would be the rows or observations or records. Okay, the first one is name, list of Charan, Kiran, Surya, and Divya and Daksha. Done. Our first key value argument is done. Then the next key value argument, this is age. Age 25, 30, and 22, 35, and 28. And final key value argument for us would be from which city they hail. And again a list. So Bengaluru, then Vishakhapatnam, Chennai, then we have how many, two more, Mumbai, then Patna, Kolkata. That's it. Let me execute and cross check the data frame, and here is your data frame. Fantastic, nicely looking, a rectangular shape. Correct. Next, so our data frame is ready. Now it's time to do sorting. Okay, the age, I just want to sort out the age. So sort the data frame by the age column in ascending order. That's our activity. So sort the data frame by the age column in ascending order. So df data frame sorted is equals to df dot sort values. That's what you have, sort index and sort values. Two you have, so I'm going to use sort values. And what I want to sort, that's age. Age and once age is sorted, and how do you want to sort it out? Ascending order. So that's what I want to sort it out in ascending order. And here is the magic. So this is df 25, 30, 22, 35, 28. There is no specific order. So now let's call for df sorted and check, and here is that magic that we have expected. So 25, 22. So the whole data frame has been sorted in ascending order of their age. So you can see the id, you can see that index also has been changed. Index also has been changed. So 22, 25, 28, 30, 35. That's what is the order. So let's take one more example. So we'll use the same data. So but this time I want to sort the data frame by the age column in descending order, and then we will be using another column, that's the name column, in ascending order. So that's what is we're going to do. So we want to sort the age column in descending order and name in ascending order. Okay, let's do that now. Now it's pretty simple. You have to take the list of values, the rest all remain same. So this time I'm gonna say df sorted 2, inside that df dot sorted sort values, and inside that I want to sort by a list of first age, then we'll have a name. Yep, that's it. Sort by is done. Now how do you want to do it? Ascending order. So which one is ascending, which one is descending? So for me the first one is descending, so I want to put it as a false, and a name is in ascending, I'll put it true. And df sorted 2, and here is the magic. See, there is a clear-cut differentiation. So the age has been in descending order from 35, 30, 20, 25, 22, whereas the name is in ascending order, Divya, Kiran, Daksha, Charan, Surya. So that's how it's ascending. This is 5, 5, and 6, 6, and 7. S is the big one. Okay, let me. Okay, so that's how we do the multiple column sorting out. And then we can also sort data frame by index. Let's do that. Sorting data frame by index. So df sorted, I'll put I index, and df sort index, in spite of values we have to use index, and as usual overall ascending order and false, sorry, and DF sorted I. That's it. So in ascending order, the DF has been sorted out. Ascending 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sorry. In descending order, it's been sorted out 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So if you want to see it in ascending order, let me give it through. That's it. This is what is your ascending order. But I want it in descending order. So let me put it false. And here is, you can see. That's it. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how you can sort it out. So now what we will do, let's get into the actual real world data set. We will read the real world data set, and out of them we will sort out we'll sort the whichever column that is required. So for that, mm, let me take anything just let me cross check which one would be better for us. This one, hands on. Let me go for the unit sales data. Units is equals to pandas read CSV, and as usual, unit sales data.csv. Here is your data set, and if you want to see total 27 columns, that's okay, whatever it may be. So now I want to do the sorting out. So let's write units dot sorted, and is equals to, as usual, units dot sort values, and inside that we'll take by, and this is what the column header. Yep. Then I want it in descending order. Ascending order, let me put the false, and then so here I'm gonna attach the promo. Yeah, and let me execute it. So there is an undetected unterminated string. Yeah, let me change this back to this one. Okay, yes, that's done. So now let me say units sorted, and you see that the highest 61.13, 61, 60.51, 60.50, and reduced down. And you can do it for others. Price, based on the price, of course it comes similar. And now you can look for the descending order. So we did a descending order, we can do it ascending order also. The same one goes, the same one will be applicable to other, uh, it will be applicable to other columns also. So if you want to do it for multiple, what I'm do months would be in ascending order, where this one should be descending order. So that's what we'll see. We'll see that how it works. So unit sorted, and you know I'll say multi sorting. So I'll put a list here and put it inside and bring the other column from month. This is what the other column, and I'm gonna go for ascending, descending, so false and true. So I want month ascending, sorry, this is first one is as usual descending, other one is through ascending. And now let's see what would be the result. And you can see the clear cut differentiation. So the both the first month 61.3, then after that 20 and 20 61, and keeps on going. So it has to make sure that you'll have the ascending order of month and the descending order of this thing. Of course, whatever it may be, it will take the priority for the first one. So let's replace this and let's change the order of it. Let me bring it to this stage, and oh sorry, the name has to be changed here. One units, and this is what. So now we have changed the first or is month. So that was given a priority. So month was in ascending order, and on top of that, it has put this into descending order. So month one 61.13, then 60.19. So that's how you can do the multi filtering also.